To add two fractions with the same denominator, 1/8 plus 3/8. Add the numerators, 1 plus 3 equals 4. Keep the same denominator, 4/8. Reduce the fraction, divide by the GCF 4. The answer is 1/2. To add mixed numbers with the same denominator, 1 and 2/5 plus 4 and 1/5. Add the numerators, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Keep the same denominator, 3/5. Add the whole numbers, 1 plus 4 equals 5. The answer is 5 and 3/5.